What's up everyone, it's Sean here, and today I'm back to review the Air Max 93 in the Dusty Cactus or Menthol colorway. These dropped on February 2nd for $130 US or $175 here in Canada. So this shoe is a retro of the Menthol or Dusty Cactus colorway that originally dropped back in 1993. However, the official colorway for this shoe is white, sport turquoise, and black. The Air Max 93 was originally designed by famous footwear designer Tinker Hatfield. This shoe is made famous because it's the first Air Max to feature visible air around the back heel. In fact, because of this 3/4 visible air setup, this shoe was originally called the Air Max 270 before it was changed to the Air Max 93. Since then, the Air Max 93 has been a constant classic for Air Max fans worldwide. In fact, this shoe actually retroed only 4 years ago. So now let's take a closer look at the shoes. So the base layer, which is found around this toe box area, this is comprised of a very tightly wound mesh. Found wrapping around the edge of the toe box and along the quarter panels on the sides, this is comprised of a smooth white leather, and to be completely transparent with you guys, the quality on this leather, while it's not the absolute best, it's not totally bad either. Found on the mid panel of both the lateral side and the medial side, we have this transparent netting, and then overlaid on top of this, we have this plastic Nike swoosh done in this sport turquoise color. Found running along the sides of the shoe, we have this mud guard that's done in this black suede-like material. This wraps around the back heel, where we have this sport turquoise TPU heel counter that has Nike Air embossed directly into it. This shoe is done in this booty-like construction, meaning the tongue is connected to the rest of the shoe. As for the tongue itself, the material is done in white mesh, but the mesh is done in a much more thicker weave than the mesh found on the toe box. The laces for these shoes are just your standard white laces, and found at the very top we have this Air Max branding done in a combination of sport turquoise and white. The insoles on these shoes are done in this sport turquoise color, and we have this Nike International branding found on the heel done in black. These Air Max 93s sit atop this foam midsole that's done in white, and of course underneath the heel we have this 270-degree visible airbag that has a sport turquoise color found within. As we take a look at the bottom, here we have your Air Max 93 outsole done entirely in this black rubber. Along the forefoot we have these different shapes that form the traction pattern, and then towards the back end of the heel we have this Air and Nike branding done in sport turquoise. In terms of the sizing on these shoes, so I'd say that these do run a little bit on the bigger side. So I'm typically between a 10 and a 10.5, but I'm usually 10.5 in Air Max sneakers. So for this shoe I got in a size 10. They fit me well, but I do have to warn you that if your foot is more on the wider side, it's probably best if you just stick with your true Air Max size. My feet are just a little bit on the wider side, and while I did go a half size down, I did feel a little bit of pinching just below the toes around this area right here. In addition, regardless if I'd went with my true Air Max size or a half size down, either way I felt that there was quite a bit of heel slippage despite the fact that my toes were quite locked in and I had tied up my laces properly. Comfort wise, so the Air Max 93s feel pretty much like any of your other early 90s or late 80s Air Max shoes. So the cushioning on the forefoot is pretty standard, nothing special there, but I do have to give props to Nike for the heel, so I could feel a little bit more responsiveness along the back heel because of this airbag found right here. So now let me lace these up and show you guys how these Air Max 93s look on feet. So the Air Max 93, while not as popular as other Air Max models like the Air Max 1 or the Air Max 90, is still a legend in its own right. If you guys are fans of classic Air Maxes and OG colors of Air Maxes, this is definitely a shoe that you probably want to pick up for your collection. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of these Air Max 93s in the Menthol or the Dusty Cactus colorway. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give me that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below, and give me a follow on my Instagram as well at SGO8. Also, just to give you guys a heads up, I've launched my official website, so you can check me out there at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in my next review.